Hey everybody, this is Mark and welcome to @Tech. In this video, I want to take you behind the scenes of how we made 3 reviews a week. It all starts off with emails, talking to a bunch of people to get products to review. Every morning, we have a ridiculous amount of emails to reply to. Everyone seems to be wanting us to review their products now, and it takes several hours from when we wake up to when we get all these emails done with, because a lot of people want us to check out their stuff. So we go through and very selectively pick what products we want to review, and then from the time they first email us till the time that we get it, it's around 1.5 to 2 weeks. Now that we got the product in the office, we have to let the people know that we got it. Sometimes they just want to know our progress or whether it came or not, because sometimes it can come from China. So we let them know we have it and when it's expected to be done reviewing. We set it off to the side for now. We come back to it when we have time. The next step in the process is to schedule the video. We typically plan videos out 2 to 3 weeks ahead of time, not anticipating any review items. So when we get something to review, we estimate how long it's going to take to do, and then we will move things around in our schedule based on when the review needs to be done, how long we think it'll take, and what we already have scheduled that is time sensitive. After that, we open the product, test it, and use it. Sometimes between 2 to 3 days, maybe even less depending on what it is, how long we have to stay with it. And then the person who is testing it gives their impressions, their feedback, write down what they don't like, what they like, and then we start writing our script. Now that the scripting is done, we start shooting the video. We typically start with B-roll first to make sure we get all of those shots that the script intended for. Then we do the main talking shot. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 days to do, and we may go back and do a couple pickup shots if we realize we forgot something. After that, the clips are imported into the server and we then transcode them. Check out our video for more information on how we do that. And then we edit the video. We start putting together the clips and audio, layering stuff, and doing all of the wonderful magical editing. Our editor of choice is Premiere Pro because we do work off of our server like I mentioned earlier, and we do have multiple editors, so the project may go from one person to another, one for editing, one for audio, one for color. So that is why we use Premiere. So finally, after all of that's done, we send the completed project off to our render farm. It spits out versions for YouTube and Amazon. We upload those to the required places, let the person know who sent us the product that the review is done, links to them, where they can find everything, and then now we move on to our next project. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this look at how we make our videos. It's a lot of work. We do this 3 times a week, and it's fun. I really enjoy doing it, but it does take some time. If you have any questions about our process, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. This is Mark with @Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.